Did you know that giant pandas spend up to 12 hours a day eating? Their diet is almost entirely bamboo, which is low in nutrients, so they need to consume around 26 to 84 pounds of it daily. Despite their bear family ties, pandas are more closely related to raccoons. They have a unique thumb-like bone that helps them grip bamboo. Interestingly, giant pandas are born pink and hairless, weighing about as much as a cup of tea. They rely on their mothers for about 18 months before becoming independent. And here's a fun fact: giant pandas can actually be quite playful. They love to roll around and climb trees, showcasing their playful nature. With only about 1 to 800 left in the wild, conservation efforts are crucial to ensure these adorable creatures thrive for generations to come.